Hello, dear members, and I am the admin of this group, Ramakrishna Reddy Palagiri. And this video is about caproic acid, which contains 6 carbons, and it is a saturated fatty acid. And it is a mid-chain saturated fatty acid. Mid-chain means fatty acid which contains carbons starting from 6 to 13 are termed as the mid-chain fatty acids. And this caproic name came from the animal kingdom genus Capra. Capra means goat. So as this fatty acid smells like goat, this name came as a caproic acid. In this video I have given some physical properties of the soil and chemical structure of this acid is given in this video. After going this video, please give our suggestions, advices. Those are most valuable to me. So don't forget. Thank you.
Caproic acid or hexanoic acid. It is a saturated fatty acid. This video is presented by Ramakrishna Reddy Palagiri. Caproic acid is a mid-chain saturated fatty acid. Mid-chain means starting from 6 carbon to up to 12 carbons, fatty acids are known as mid-chain saturated fatty acid. From starting 30 to 24, that fatty acids are known as long-chain fatty acids. Now, this caproic acid is a mid-chain saturated fatty acid. This acid name is derived from Latin word capra means goat. The chemical formula of this fatty acid is CH3, CH2, 4 times COH. It is a colorless liquid and have a goat-like smell. The other 2 fatty acids after goat are caproic and capric acids. This fatty acid is naturally present in animal fats and oils. In coconut oil, the caproic acid presence is up to 0.04 to 0.2%. It is available. Here, the chemical formula of this caproic acid is given. IUPAC name is hexanoic acid. Hexa means 6. It contains 6 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it is a saturated fatty acid, that is why hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid, C6H2, H12O2, C6H12O2. Here, this is the first carbon, carboxylic carbon. This one, last one is the methyl group. It is known as the omega carbon. The first carbon is known as the alpha carbon. COH, it is carboxylic group. Carbohydroxy group it is. So the carbons which are in chain between the first and last carbon, each carbon contains 2 hydrogens and 2 other is bonded with the other carbons. The carbon have the capacity to react at a time with 4 elements or 4 atoms. Here each carbon you can see 4. Here 2 carbons and 2 carbons, hydrogens. Carbon, where 2 bonds with 2 carbons, another 2 bonds with hydrogen. Like that, a carbon can react, have the 4 valency. That means it can react with 4 atoms of the different element or the same element. Here, it is a 2 are with carbon, 2 is the hydrogen, like that. Here, we can see another formula like that. This is the first carbon, COOH, second carbon, third, fourth, fifth, this is the 6th carbon. This is hexanoic acid. Here in the chart, physical chemical properties of caproic acid is given. This is only physical properties, chemical properties I will give it in another video. This chemical formula is C6H12O2 or CH3, CH twice tetra COOH. The molar mass of this fatty acid is 160.1 g grams per mole, and this appearance of this fatty acid is colorless oily liquid, and density of this fatty acid is 0.929 grams per cm cube, and melting point of this fatty acid is -5 to 7 degrees centigrade, and the boiling point of this fatty acid is 205.8 centigrade, and the refractive index of this fatty acid is 1.4170, and soluble in ethanol and ether. Saponification value of this fatty acid is 475 to 485. Plus point of the soil is 103 centigrade, and auto ignition is at 380 centigrade.